Ka district level inter-school athletic meet arjak khandai balapelong da ka office u district sport officer Ribhoi district kalapoino chakapakut hne ka nophai sngi hakaba ka St.Alfred secondary school kalayora sendon ya kanam kum ka overall champion jongkane kalumpung ilakai sport ki school ka them Ribhoi district lawan bat penhap perda ya kane kalumpung ilakai sport dau Dr. Didi Lapang chief advisor ka sarkar jela kumukongsan hakajinge don langru uba VS Nongbet DSEO Ribhoi district uba PM Marbanyang DSO ka Ribhoi district uba RB Shadap Presiden ka RB DSA lembat kiwe ki officer bat kiru rangba jong ka than nyongpo watla ka suin beneng kala pethut yakane ka sngi lakai sport ka bakhadu Henry Lasaki baki khana school kimsem lakan randin bat banya kunteng bani simenta ka jeng lakai sport ba pher wat apdeng ka jingkti ka madan bat banya kunteng banyora eki kusnam hakane kalumpung lakai sport jong ka district Nakaliang ka office UDSO kala samro iki kusnam sekinong job haki kerdan ba pher kibala pelong hakane kalumpung ilakai sport kabalane laiski kanthi hakabala samro ya ka kusnam best athlete hakaliang ki kenthe ba chenrang haka under 14 boys and girls lara daka Anushka Majhong bat u Ronald Sius Ingti haka under 16 boys and girls lara dakan Renalis Ingti bat u Benias Marwet bat haka under 18 boys and girls lara daka Medari Shakling bat u Rodius Mongor La samru hi kusnam best school haka kerdan joka under 14 boys and girls hakabal ara daka St.Alfred secondary school bat ka St. Pancratius UP school haka under 16 boys and girls lara daka St.Alfred school bat ka St. Paul higher secondary school haka under 18 boys and girls lara daka St.Alfred secondary school bat ka St. Paul higher secondary school bat ka namtam ka bahe point 2 haka ni kalumpung ilakai sport layora daka St.Alfred secondary school marngar hakaju kesngi nakaliang ka office UDSO kalasam kusnamru kerpang ya kikato kanengut kirang bat kithe ilakai kibalala banwanra ekanam ko burom ya ka district daka jingjob jongki hakilumpung ilakai sport kibala pelong sabar ka district.
Very proud to be in midst today. Why? Because you are the answer of the coming generation. You are the answer to the greatness of the nation you are looking up. You are the answer to the stalwarts, the pillars that fill up the future of the country. Well, it's a great day today that we met you. In our month, we have got friends to support us, to add all the blessings and cooperation with us. I want to serve Dr. O. Sundram, the Lombok Rumbai, the Secretary of the NSA. And here we have got principals, headmasters, we have got the teachers, we have got the volunteers in the field, and also the sports officer. The rain has disturbed us, but it did not disturb your enthusiasm. You love sport. Why are you here? You have left your home and heart to come and appreciate yourself. Sports is one of the ways that we can achieve gain. And nowadays, sports have got a very important role in the global level. And the UNO and other departments all over the world, they have accepted that sports and games is one of the government departments is very important. And even there are a lot of things that the one who can even earn his livelihood with all the blessings of the sports and games. We are glad Ribhoi district does not lag behind to bring stalwarts, the devils, and the sports and the discipline and all. We are very glad that we have a lot of cooperation from the officers, the teachers, and also those from the hammer office that we can conduct this game, this sports and game all the time. Friends, you do not know the record, but we feel proud that from Ribhoi, we have got a lot of people who can show and bring honors and laurels to this area. You know about the sport, like the sport and game and all, even in the athletic and all, they don't forget to mention Ribhoi, because from Ribhoi they are gems. They are also jewels which will be glorifying for their ability and their contribution towards the game.